please, as my co-pastor, I'm giving him the privilege to tell us his blessings by himself. God bless you, sir. Abundant grace power church. Abundant grace power church. In our family, we don't struggle. Mommy, thank you very much. I appreciate this. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.
How far? I came here last year September. I brought a passenger here.
You are driving Uber?
Yes, sir. All my customer, everybody left me. I came here as Uber driver. But now, left and right.
Lift your hand and shout, in the war.
In the war.
Take it. Power. Power. Somebody shout power.
Power.
You cannot be coming here with this anointing and you are still poor. May I go to a poverty not be for me.
Poverty not be for me.
Who's the better? Listen, who's the better? Don't let them yell. So what is happening now?
In my area, they are looking me like a ritualist now.
Everything is happening. Take the anointing. When are you finishing your house? Uber drivers of last year. When are you finishing your house? Take it. You are running your house.
Hey, so welcome back, guys. I don't know why people like putting men of God into trouble. I don't know why Nigerians, youth here, you people like putting or getting men of God into trouble. I don't know why. This guy was never an Uber driver. This guy was a pastor in a particular church. You can verify from these particular slips. I've been trying, from these flyers, I've been trying all possible means to get these contacts to verify one or two things, but with evidences sent to me, this guy was never an Uber driver. This guy happens to be an assistant pastor in this particular church. You can see the flyers here. This guy currently is not also doing well. That kind of money no day. So I don't know why he chose to lie. From the other video you saw, the altar where he came to testify, that is the church where he happens to be. He was ordained as a pastor. I have his marriage videos and all that so far and so on. I have full details about him anyway. And I'm trying to get across the pastor to also ask the pastor a few questions. But with what some of the members sent to me, it is clear. More story about this guy I will tell, but not now. I just want to keep this video here anyway. But people should stop deceiving men of God. You go here, you give testimony, fake testimony. You go another place, give fake testimony. I didn't say you were paid for this, but I want the people to use their tongue to count their teeth. My name is Governor Eziokwu, son of the great Shanamites. Olilanya.
Igbo bụ Igbo, Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ, ekene m n'ụbọchị nke taata Igbo mụ na nsem ọzọ. O wee nji maka ya wee bịa, ọ gbasara this achọrọ m itinye gbasara this dragging a na-drag Ebuka Obi. Maka one brother one bịa ye testimony si na he has no Uber driver ka ọ na-alụ since. Now there is something I want to make you people clear. For Governor Eziokwu that came saying that is a lie, that he's a pastor and not an Uber driver, that he lied, or maybe they are thinking that Ebuka Obi paid him, or maybe this and this and that. But there is something I want to make you people understand. You see, if you want to give a testimony in any church, let's even forget about Ebuka Obi. Then you now went there and decided to lie that God did this, or maybe that this person did this and did that. Everything you could ever and we bulasi. Nilu altar, nilu chuku, na nilu mad. My dear, it's none of the pastor's business. Abumoni ne wetelo wogi buwogi ki ne wetelia. and not the pastor or the evangelist or the reverend father. The lie bugwa biye lie. Ebuka Obi has nothing to do with anything Obuna the guy said. If truly that he lied is none of his business, then if you think that Ebuka Obi paid him, or maybe you think that you know him too well, that Ebuka Obi paid him to come and do this thing, testify in the church, my brother, come out well, show evidence that this thing happened. Mbini otan no kita anu apuo gawa na church gaye testimony that for example na me ya no we billions of naira in my account, then we poor ilo gaye testimony say that na afifia, then under 2 days we billions of naira. Honestly speaking, na pamo owo ye na emegide obule Ebuka Obi kan na emegide. The cause and everything buna my head. The cause buna my head, God. If he decided to go to altar and lie, it's your own cup of tea, and not it doesn't concern anybody. So you people should stop dragging this man. Governor Eziokwu, I know that you have been looking for a way. You have been looking for a way to like talk down on him or maybe say anything, looking for any opportunity that will come, so that you use it and fight him. But honestly speaking, my brother, go and look for something reasonable and be doing. Or probably you face your political career or your lawyer, what is it called, law, whatever that you are going. I think you started law school of recent or something like that. Or ngopala community kinwanis nineme or something like that. Go and face it. All these things will name your pain, but this thing go up a land. That is you people's pain. But if you feel like you want to drag anybody concerning the land, please go and meet Hope Uzodimma, where the governor of Imo State. Igakudia no si ogo. Why juele la nai wele si oe dota nka nkozo. Pupia court. If he's guilty, fine. You understand? Biko, happy Ebuka Obi aka ka o wolu nu mmiri megin we togbu iko, because omafia nkita obido trend we online. Ebuka Obi jukwu ogwo oya mere nke padlock mgbe padlock man bia ye testimony na church. At the end of the day, uneche eche una agbagoro gawa na nke padlock unjeme ya interview. Then after kumecha interview post ya online, nunjeme ya interview no weliye kezafe weliye Ebuka Obi akwụlo the man ụgwọ nka nkozo. The same you people, the same set of people we putala again. Nda njekwelu je me ya no gba ya video putakwala again bia na asi akwa don't worry, that's na padlock man nka turn everything upside down, so that you people have a lot to say, but let's just keep it. Happen this man aka happen Ebuka. You know one thing in July ya chukwu na buna okechecheli ihe ni nchoke no wa machalo mma mana kwifo this life ikike ihe mmadu ndu ya time oge jiwu ka ọ na-enye he mmadu. If it's not Ebuka Obi time to die, which I know that he's not dying now, there is no amount of yungekunon that will bring him down, or maybe that will make him die. If that church that God has destined that Zion ground to go to stand still, there is no amount of or drag kata this man come again called that ka the church that it's not possible. Biko happen yaka kozuru no mmiri making way to baluniko yaka nsikambia kwa unu nyagazeli mu ma unu chef comment, share, subscribe and do what, and on your notification. Yagano.